Hi guys, hope you're well. Today I have a Chanel unboxing for you. This is a very special, unique wallet on chain that I found recently. And I don't buy Chanel new, rarely, as far as bags and wallets go, because I think Chanel is one of those brands, just like Hermes, where I feel like you need to earn your right to buy a Chanel and to wear one. That sounds controversial, but to me, it's just very personal like that. And I, to this day, have never bought a full-on Chanel purse that's brand new. I have some beautiful vintage ones, but I think there's just something to be said that, I earned that, especially at that price point right now. Hopefully by the summer, I have a big project coming up. I'm opening my second location here in California. And, when that all comes into fruition, then I would feel like I have earned that. So I hope I'm making any sense to you, but yeah. So without blabbing too much, here is this beautiful Chanel WOC that I discovered recently. I don't know about you guys, but I love to mix my metals. I often wear, my wedding ring. I don't know if you can really see it. Actually, my engagement ring is yellow gold, and my wedding band surrounding it is both white and rose gold. So I've always loved two-tone, tritonal pieces in jewelry. And so when I found this wallet on chain, which I'm no longer gonna hold the drama for you, but it's so beautiful. This, you guys, is a beautiful piece from fall winter 2020, I believe is what the essay said. I absolutely love that there's no, classic hardware here that has the gold or, whatever metal, but I like this vintage feel of it, of the stitched Chanel logo right there. This is a coated lambskin, so it does have that, wrinkly effect, which I actually really love just because it won't show wear as easily as straight up lambskin. You see that gorgeous shine, and I'm not really a big fan of patent leather, so this is kind of an in-between of a flat and patent. So beautiful. And if you know Chanel, you know how buttery their leather is. It smells amazing. I'm such a weirdo, but I'm sure you do that too. So right here you have a flap right here in the back, kind of hidden. And without further ado, this is the magic behind this purse. I just have to show you guys. Look at the chain. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Do you see? It goes from like a shiny silver, that's my daughter calling me, to a matte silver, to a matte gold, and finally to a shiny, shiny gold. You guys, this is everything. I think this is me in a bag, I would say. And shockingly, out of everything I own, I was just telling my husband, I think this is the most favorite piece I've ever owned. It couldn't have been more perfect for me. I am absolutely in love. This brings me so much joy, as Marie Kondo would say. And I haven't even shown you the inside. I just showed you the chain, but this is the inside. It has the Chanel logo and the love letter zip up here. And inside is that textile, beautiful red. Has 6 slots in there. And it has made in Italy over here. And the zipper part here with the authenticity card and stuff. And the zipper pocket here. And another pocket out front. I haven't even taken this. It's a buffing cloth right here. And yeah, Chanel, like so. Yeah, there's nothing much to show you guys as far as, it can hold, because it is a wallet on chain. I only have one other wallet on chain, and I think I might let that go soon. It's a Saint Laurent piece. I think I only have space for one wallet on chain, and this is my forever baby. If you own a wallet on chain, then you can wear it multiple ways. So the very simplest is just wearing it as is. And I'm pretty tall. Well, let me clarify that. In one of my other videos, someone said 5'7" is not tall. I meant to clarify that for an Asian woman as myself. I'm Filipina, so I'm 5'7", and I used to typically wear heels. Like I would be closer to 5'10", 5'11". So for an Asian girl, I am pretty tall, but let me show you how this looks. This is it on without adjusting the chain. Or look at this two-tone chain. When you wear it like this, it's like having, you know, two separate chains. I would even wear it like this, to be honest. It's quite trendy nowadays. You can tie the chain up one more time on the inside like so, and it makes a shorter crossbody if you're like traveling or just want it closer to your body. It's really all I can say about this bag, and to be honest, I was pretty shook when she told me, you know, how much this was. The classic wallet on chains nowadays cost about $2,600 and up. The SA herself was telling me this is an amazing deal because they probably won't make wallet on chains at this price point anymore. It came in at $2,250, which is a lot of money, but insanely good for a brand new Chanel wallet on chain bought from the boutique itself. Because I don't know if you guys see the new collection, they're coming out with a lot of mini bags that won't even fit anything other than your AirPods maybe. And those start at like $2,500 and up, which is crazy. So I think I got a steal with this purchase, and I am so incredibly happy with this. And this will, I can tell you right now, this will stay in my collection forever. This is me in a bag. So I hope you enjoy this, and thank you for watching.